We'll guide you through how to change the canvas size in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita and load the project you're working on. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click on Image. From the drop-down menu, select Scale Image to New Size. This option allows you to change the dimensions of your canvas. A dialog box will appear where you can enter the new width and height for your canvas. You can type in the values directly or use the up and down arrows to adjust them. Make sure the unit of measurement is set to your preference, like pixels or inches. If you want to maintain the aspect ratio, ensure that the Lock Aspect Ratio box is checked. This prevents your image from looking stretched or squished. Once you're happy with the new dimensions, click OK to apply the changes. Krita will resize the canvas to the specified dimensions. It's important to note that changing the canvas size won't automatically resize your artwork. It simply alters the workspace dimensions. So if your artwork was smaller, it might not fill the new canvas. But don't worry, you can always use the transform tool later to adjust your artwork to fit the new canvas if needed. And that's it. You've successfully changed the canvas size in Krita. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.